Looking to finally eliminate those dead zones in your home? Today, we're unboxing and setting up the AigiTal WiFi Extender, and we're going to get it working in just a couple of minutes using the super simple WPS method. No complicated apps or passwords needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Unboxing Range Extender. First, let's see what's in the box. Opening it up, we have the AigiTal Extender itself, compact design. Nice and simple. The extender feels solid. A Ethernet cable and a quick start guide. Step 2. Plug-in range extender to power. First, plug your AigiTal extender into an outlet close to your main router. Wait for the power LED to light up solid. Step 3. Press WPS button on Wi-Fi router. Go to your main router and press its WPS button for 2 seconds. Now, within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your AigiTal extender for 2 seconds. Watch the extender's LED. In about 30 to 60 seconds, it should stop blinking and turn solid. This is your success signal. The connection is established. Step 6. Connect to your new network. Grab your phone or laptop. Go to your Wi-Fi settings. You will now see new network names from your AigiTal extender. They will usually be your original network name with _ext. This new network using the same password as your main Wi-Fi. That's it. If this simple setup got your whole house covered, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guides. Thanks for watching.